Not much changed.
Maybe we could say heritability did change. However, they were still able to,
But it
lay
didn't
10
affect-
eggs and stuff.
It didn't affect anything.
It does because the population doesn't it change? Or the beak size compared to the control group?